it's Brooke with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect tumbler to bring with you everywhere and have the best drinks, check out this one. This is the 40-ounce tumbler, and this is by pmtowft. I love bringing this tumbler with me everywhere. It has the insulated carrying case with the Velcro closure. I'm able to put it around my shoulder or adjust the strap, and I have my hands free to use. I even go on hikes with this. It also has 2 zip closures so that I can put my phone inside the pocket or my cards, and it even has a clip to clip my keys on it. I appreciate that this holds my cold beverages for 34 hours, and I have ice in it even the next day. It also holds my hot beverages for 12 hours. So this is great during those hot summer months or even those cold winter days. I like that the lid, it seals, it twists on, and if you close it, it's leak-proof. I don't have any liquid falling out. I also love the handle. There's no hard edges or scratchy parts to it. It's soft, it's easy to grip and easy to hold on to. It's not too bulky, and it's just very comfortable to use. It has stainless steel with a powder paint coat finish, which makes the outside unique. It has no odor to it. It's scratch resistant. It's sweat proof. This is also easy to clean because it is dishwasher safe. The 2 different straws have a straw brush cleaner. This tumbler is versatile and would make the perfect gift, even if you want to gift yourself. But this allows me to have my favorite beverage with me all the time. I love this, and this is so convenient. But that's just my point of view.